Hey guys, I'm your girl Jenny Beauty Reviews. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today's video is super duper exciting because I got some PR in the mail. I got 4 packages in total. 2 of them got sent to me for free, and I am going to unbox them and give my honest thoughts and reviews, and also share coupon codes and links that I am affiliated with their brand. This video here is not sponsored whatsoever by any brands mentioned, but I am affiliated with 2 brands, and also I have 2 packages from 2 brands that I purchased from that I was gifted a coupon code, and so I was able just to shop their site and give them my feedback, and also unbox these products for you guys to put you on to new and great products. I have let's go with the 2 boxes that were sent to me free for review. I got sent to me this amazing PR package by Divain fragrances. I got selected to do a campaign that was gifted 2 fragrances. I was able to go on their website and select 2 fragrances I wanted to try out for this review. So I just had opened this up first. If you guys are interested to see what I received, I am so excited. Please stay tuned for this video. Give this a huge thumbs up if you like PR videos. So yeah, let's just jump right on in. I'm so excited. So yeah, I was able to select 2 fragrances, and this company basically offers over 600 fragrances for both men, women. Special promotion is a buy 2 get 1 free, and I will leave my code and link down below, also right here on the screen, so you guys can shop their fragrances. I selected 2 here. Now I will share the scents with you, and I got these for free. I'm so excited, so thank you, you guys. You're so amazing. Magazine, this looks so nice. And here is, I'm not sure what, oh, it says sweets, so I'm assuming they sent a little candy. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. But yeah, this is just a fragrance of 14 pages that shares all the different fragrances. And wow, so these are basically dupe fragrances to the everything from Prada, Louis Vuitton, Paco Rabanne, Jane, Wisely, Hugo Boss, Hermes, Guerlain, Calvin Klein, Chanel, Creed, Diesel, Christian Dior, Gucci, Divain, Giorgio Armani, Dolce Gabbana, Victor Rolf, Saint Laurent, Hermes. It just goes on and on and on. So here's that. I am so excited to have this, guys. It does give beautiful illustrations, and I'm just so grateful. So I did get 2, so we're gonna open this up for the first time. I'm so excited. This one is the fragrance 626. Oh my goodness. I love this packaging. It's definitely beautiful. It's a thick glass and it's so heavy, yet it has like a wooden detail right here as a lid. Super nice. This is the Divain Feminine 626, 100 milliliters. Oh, this one smells really nice. Ooh, this one is very clean yet florally. It smells really nice. So then this one is the 582, and this one's supposed to be a dupe for the Miss Dior by Dior fragrance. I personally was only able to get like a really small baby of that fragrance by Dior. I want to say sometime last year I got it in like Macy's, and I was able to get a small baby one. So ever since then, like I've just held on to the little, like the component, because I completely like finished it. I finished it within a week. But in my description box, I'm gonna let you know the name of this, what is it a dupe for, and also the notes down below and the price. I will also put my link down there, and I would love for you guys to check that out. That's something my husband will like. This one is a unisex fragrance. Just in case, I thought I would get one for myself and then one unisex in case if my husband smelled it and wanted it, I would just give it to him. And basically I can like use it too. So here's this other one. This one is the Divain 582. So this one is also 100 milliliters, which is a 3.4 fluid ounce. And this is great size, guys. This is so nice. I love the packaging. Shipping came to me pretty quickly. I really appreciate it. Here's that package. This one is so similar to the fragrance by Creed. It's called Love in White. I think this one is super duper close. Yeah, like super fresh and very, very warm at the same time, but definitely fresh. Super duper similar to that one. That one is pretty doggone similar. And smell this one. Wait a second. Ah, I love this one more. This one automatically is gonna be my favorite, guys. Oh, I love that one. That one smells so delicious, yet fruity and soft. Definitely sexy, and it has scents of patchouli in there, floral, some vanilla, little warmness. That one smells really, really good. Oh, I love this one, the 582. I did keep the little component, and I was looking to purchase another one, but then when I saw this one on the list that it was super duper similar, I was like, I wonder if it is actually similar. And guys, yeah, it's actually pretty close. Let me go ahead and smell it again to give you some notes. Yeah, super duper similar. I would really attest that it is super duper similar. Sorry, I don't have that one here, but yeah, these are super duper spot on, guys. If you love fragrances and love fragrances on a more affordable price tag, go ahead and check these out, guys. You won't be disappointed. They have over 600 perfumes, fragrances for both men, women, and unisex. So definitely shop on Divain.com and use my link and coupon code to save some money. Don't forget, they are having a promotion that's buy two get one free. And you guys, thank you at Divain. I appreciate you guys. Now let's get into the next box, guys. I'm so excited. So next up, we have Influencer Vox Box. This is the vitamin water Vox Box, guys. This is a sugar-free, no sugar, all new taste, zero holding back vitamin water Vox Box from Influencer. Influencer is a free app that you can download, and you basically fill out a profile, and they send out different surveys to fill out, and they will email you if you are compatible to one of their campaigns. So I just took off this tape right here. We're going to unbox this for the first time. And I have Kevin next to me, so he'll test it with me. But yeah, I got this completely free, complimentary from Influencer and Vitamin Water. Thank you guys at Vitamin Water and Influencer. I am so grateful for these drinks. I'm going to try out this one first. This one is the Raspberry Dark Chocolate. Kevin, you want to drink this with me?
Yeah.
Okay, come here, baby. This one is, I'm trying to see, 20 fluid ounce. Hello.
Hi.
Let me take off this plastic real quick. All right, we took that off. Ooh. Try it.
Not that bad.
I'm gonna hear his thoughts and then I'll give you guys my thoughts. What do you think about it?
It's not that bad,
Uh-huh.
but it's good.
Oh, okay, what does it taste like?
It's like,
Come this way. What's it taste like?
it's like a.
Look right here, baby. What's it taste like?
It tastes like a blueberry raspberry.
Oh, okay. So, do you think you like it? Will you drink it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it taste like weird or gross or what do you think?
It's good.
It's good? You'll drink it?
Yeah.
Put it in the fridge.
Okay.
I definitely taste like the chocolate. That one is a little bit more pronounced flavor than the raspberry. I don't really taste too much of the raspberry. I do taste more of the chocolate. So now the second one is green. The flavor of this one is coconut lime. Ooh, coconut lime. Ooh, this one actually sounds pretty good. I don't know. You want to try this one too? Okay, come here, baby.
Taste all of them.
Yeah, there's only two. Okay, come, baby. We're gonna open this one. All right, here's how it looks. 0 sugar. Sodium is 0. Total carbs 0. 0, 0, 0. Only 5 calories. Vitamin B, 100%. Vitamin E, 30%. Vitamin A, 25%. Close the door, please. It says recycle me, and then 5 calories, 20 fluid ounce. Let's go ahead and jump right on in. Again, the flavor is coconut lime, and it's a green liquid. Come, yeah, right there. I definitely taste coconut.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah? What do you think?
It's like.
Come here.
It's like coconut water.
Not exactly. I
But it
don't
tastes
really.
like it.
Yeah. What else do you think? Do you think it's good? Would you drink it? Or is it like no?
It's like a
Come
little
closer.
sour. It's like a little sour, but I like it.
Oh. Okay, put this one in the fridge.
Okay, can I bring it? Can I bring this one to school tomorrow?
You want to take it to school?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Wait, so you like that one more than the other one?
I like both of them.
Oh, you like both of them? Come here.
But can I bring the green one to school?
Yeah, but I have to take pictures of it and post it on my Instagram.
Okay.
That's the requirements.
I'm gonna put it back in.
Okay, baby, go put it in the refrigerator. I know how to say refrigerator. I'm just kidding, guys. So that's it for that box. I'm so excited. Thank you, Vitamin Water and Influencer, for sending me this. I enjoyed it with my son, Kevin. And as you guys heard, he's going to take one to school. I actually want to keep the green one. Can you take the other one?
No,
He's going to take it.
I really like coconut water.
Okay, that was a really great box. I appreciate it. Alrighty, what did you guys think about those two packages? I am so grateful no matter what it is. And the fact that you guys can save money on your purchase, it's just so amazing. So thank you, Vitamin Water and Influencer. Also, Divain fragrances, you guys are so amazing. Thank you for gifting me these fragrances. I love you guys. You're so amazing and sweet. And I got a little candy. I'm gonna check that out later. But you guys, there's two more packages that I got in the mail. They all came at the same time, guys. I was shocked. The man, he literally knocked on my door and he was like, Miss Garcia, there's 4 packages. And I was like, oh my god, thank you so much. He's like, you're welcome, have a good day. I'm like, oh, thank you, you too. And I got him some chips and a drink. But this one is from IBY Beauty. I am affiliated with them. I applied for their affiliated program and I got selected to be a part of their PR, and I am so excited. So I do have an affiliate link with them. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not sponsored by any of these brands mentioned. This video is not sponsored, but I am affiliated, in which links and coupon codes will give me a small commission if you're using them, clicking them to make your purchases. I do hope that if you are inclined to make purchases, please do it through my link and coupon codes. But you definitely don't have to. I completely understand, but I do want to give you the option to save money because that's always amazing. So you guys, this is the one that I told you that like they gave me a little. These are the 3 products so far. These are glosses and lip colors. So these 2 are the lip locked shade lipsticks. So these are crayon lipsticks. One is in the color 213 and then the other one is finally, like finally, but finally, like Friday and finally mixed into one. I don't know if that made sense. But let's do finally first. I'm so excited. I was able to choose the shades and what I wanted for this gifted opportunity. I am really excited, guys. I do enjoy IBY Beauty. I love their highlighters, and I do have one palette from them from previous Ipsy from a couple years ago. Okay, this reminds me of like, if you guys know the brand Shop Miss A, they have really great lip crayon pencils. And this definitely reminds me of a Shop Miss A product. Now, I'm going to be honest, that's what it looks like first glance. So that's just like my first initial thoughts. I love the IBY right there, like gold lettering. This is like a mauve tone. The lid is a goldish tone. The pencil is a chubby stick, where I think it will be nice to line my lips with. It definitely smells like a pencil, but let's go ahead and swatch right here. Oh, it's gorgeous. That is so beautiful. Definitely colors that I love wearing. This is a deeper pink. I don't know. I would like a gloss over top would be super pretty, like if I filled in my lips and then put like a nice gloss over it. So that's that one, and the shade is Finally. Now that one is really nice, and I will leave prices right here and also links in my description box with my coupon code as well, since I am affiliated with IBY Beauty. Thank you guys for sending me these products and giving me the opportunity to be affiliated with you and your company. The next shade I said was 213. It is again the crayon lipstick. Okay, this one's more of a mauve. A mauve. Definitely same crayon scent. Ooh, that one's more of a brown mauve tone. Nonetheless, very beautiful, very creamy, and I like how they're chubby sticks. The only thing is, I personally don't have a sharpener that is friendly for a more chubby stick like this. The ones that I have is like for normal small, like normal pencils, like lip liner pencils or eyeliner pencils. I would have to just buy one that will fit this chubby stick inside, like a pencil sharpener, but that's not a big deal. The colors are super beautiful, definitely colors I will use, and very, very soon I will be trying them out on the lips and making looks with them. I'm very excited for these pencils. I love easy products that I can just throw in my bag, and this is an example of that. This brand I believe is cruelty-free vegan. The next one here is the Lip Gleam in the shade Clear. So this is the gloss up lip gleam. So a lip gloss, yes, clear lip gloss, guys. This doe foot looks long and fuzzy. I don't know if you can see, it's like long and fuzzy. IBY Beauty, long and fuzzy. Ooh, I like that noise. This one smells like pancake syrup, like maple syrup, but like the sweet one, like for the pancakes. That smells good. I feel like it doesn't get enough on the brush, but it's enough as I coated my lips. So it did coat the lips, it's just not overly saturated. That's the word. It's not overly saturated, which I do appreciate. It's a thick gloss. It smells really good and it gives a nice shine. It's not sticky whatsoever. And it does feel comfortable. It's just a little on the thick side. So maybe one of these or even both with a clear gloss like this will look super beautiful. I think so. That's what I was kind of going for. Like a nice lip pencil or like a lip stick with a gloss over top. So that's what I thought of getting. I also got these items right here, which are a little bit bigger. I have this card. It says, "You inspire me because," and it just says to follow us on IBY Beauty and hashtag inspired by you. Little postcard. Thank you. And then here is my order form. I got this on, ordered this on April 6th, and the ship date was the next day, April 7th. And today is the Monday, April 10th, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, today's Monday, April 10th. Literally like 2-3 days. You guys are amazing at IBY Beauty. Thank you guys. You guys are so sweet. And I appreciate this offer and being affiliated. I'm just so excited and grateful. So yeah, I had to read that for you guys. I decided to pick up this boho brush set. It does have a gorgeous bag. And it's including a shadow brush, a small shadow brush, a smudger brush, angled liner brush, and an angled crease brush. Now this brand is vegan, cruelty free, also recyclable, and I am just so excited to open this up. So here's what it looks like with the packaging. The bag looks like a really big, nice size. Oh, it's velvety. Yay! I love velvety, like the feel of velvet. This is a gorgeous makeup bag. I'm gonna take this sleeve off. It says boho. I believe, looking on site, these items are on sale, so go ahead and snatch them up if you are interested. This bag is pretty cute. It's like a mauve, shiny, glittery bag, but the glitter, it's not loose glitter, it's just within the bag. It's just really shiny and metallic. Right here does say IBY. Now the brushes are inside. Yay! I love getting brushes. Here's how they look. Very nice. They're not mini, they are full-size brushes, and it comes with this pouch. Super amazing. I can literally put everything, all these, inside here. Ah, that is so cute. I love this. That's that. And then I had to get a palette, of course. So then, yeah, that's everything. And then this is the palette. It says carry on, and this is bubble wrapped really, really nicely. Wow, it's thick palette. Ooh. What a nice thick packaging. It feels really soft and velvety. No way, this is a face palette. OMG. OMG, I got a face palette. How did I forget I got a face palette? Because like I said, I selected these products myself. How did I not know, or did I forget? No, I don't think I remember. Did I pick this? Oh, this is really nice. It feels so heavy. Oh, it does have a nice good size mirror right there, and there's 9 shades of shadows. There is shimmers and mattes. There is a little fallout, but I don't mind. Look at those stamps, guys, the IBY stamps, and then like that stamp, super nice. It does have the protective over it, and these shades are definitely up my alley. I'm loving this mauve tone and this nice beige color, and then this sparkly mauve tone over here, metallic. I'm loving this one here in the corner. And then I think we can close this and then flip it. And then there's face. But yeah, you get a good mirror on both sides. I cannot believe this. How can I forget about it? So you get 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. Yay! I love their highlighters. I never tried their blushes, but their highlighters and shadows are really beautiful. And oh my god, this is so cute. The pans are really great size. That is so pretty. What do you guys think? This is such an easy palette that, like, if you need to travel and need something like quick and easy for a couple days or like the weekend, this is a gorgeous palette that has your eyeshadows and products for face. You could definitely even get your eyebrows out of here. Like for me, for an example, I will use that dark brown to fill in my brows. Also, I see the black shadow can be beautiful for a winged liner. You could basically do a wing out of this maroon shade right here. Yeah, definitely gorgeous. And flipping it over again, you have protective and those 2 gorgeous highlighters and blushes. So 4 on this side and 9 on the other. What a gorgeous face palette. Definitely check these out. I believe they're on sale, so go ahead and grab you one. That was so excited for me. I was not expecting to be this excited, but you guys are so sweet for sending this to me. Thank you guys for having the opportunity and for me to sign up to be affiliated with your company. I really just love the idea of brands opening up their programs to other content creators and beauty lovers to really be a part and try new beauty and to share what brands have to offer. I think IBY is a brand that I really don't hear too much of, but I am really interested to see how these products work. I'm loving this gloss. It's not sticky whatsoever. It still feels really nice and comfortable, and it's not as thick as how I first applied it. So that's the 3rd package. The 4th and final package is one from Juvia's Place. They launched liquid blushes, and I only got a few shades here because I didn't want to buy all of them, if that makes sense. But then, you guys, I already finished the new Juvia's foundation. I finished it yesterday, and I had to order it before finishing because I didn't want to wait to like buy this, you guys. Now their website is I think 65-70% on sale, like the whole site, I believe, or a lot of their lip products and eyeshadow palettes are on sale. A lot of their items are on sale right now at this given time, but I had to buy a repurchase of the I Am Magic Natural Radiance Foundation in the shade 720 Bali. I needed to repurchase this because this foundation is so soft, radiant, and beautiful on my light to medium skin tone. This is so glowy and beautiful. It's non-sticky, non-creasy, non-cakey. I love it so much. It's so lightweight and it matches me perfectly. So if you're light to medium neutral skin tone, this will work best for you. Now they do offer so many other shades. Decided to get a backup of this foundation. I'm obsessed with it and I finished it. So now I have this one to start using. I'm so excited. That's how you know you love something and enjoy it, when you can repurchase it, you know. So then next, I have the liquid blushes. I only got 2 different colors. This is the blushed liquid blush. One is in the shade Peach Rose, and then this one is Rosy Posy. So let's try this one first. This one is Peachy Rose. Ooh, they're chunky. Oh my gosh. So chunky. Oh my god. It's so chunky. But look at the color. It's absolutely beautiful. I have to swatch this. Ooh. Let's blend it. Dang. That's rich in pigmentation, and it's really soft and glossy. Look at that shine. That's gorgeous. Ooh, I think I put too much. Let's go ahead and close this up and get the other one. Absolutely beautiful. I don't remember how much they are. I think each one is either 19. I think I'll leave right here on the screen and also down below. Everything will be linked with prices, coupon codes, and links, affiliate links. Here's that other one, super duper cute, beautiful, and chunky. Oh, that smells good too. Look at that chunky baby. Beautiful shade. Oh my goodness. Let's dot some right here. Oh, I love that one too. I love makeup, guys. This is making me so happy. Let's go ahead and blend this one out. Oof. Dang, this one's a little more sheer, but nonetheless beautiful. Little goes a long way with these shades. This one has a bubblegum pink hue to it, like almost like a soft bubblegum pinky purplish hue to it. And then this one is definitely a rosy hot pink, but not definitely boom hot pink. More softer, more beautiful too. Definitely little is more, so that's the 2 shades that I decided to pick up, guys. I'm so happy with everything. And yeah, this is the new Juvia's Place blushes. And then I repurchased the foundation because it's beautiful and I love it. And the first one went too quick, so I needed to get a backup. I think those are on sale on Juvia's Place, going for I think $13. So if you haven't tried this foundation yet, definitely go try it. I don't have an affiliate code or link with Juvia's Place. I wish I do. I wish I did have one, but you guys, I got it with my own money and I really love the quality, the formula. Juvia's Place is a great brand to check out. They also sell Juvia's Place inside Ulta Beauty, your local Ulta Beauty, for these blushes. Their eyeshadows are amazing. I love their brow products. And yeah, that's everything here. So again, a big thank you and big shout out to Divain Fragrances for the 2 fragrances that were gifted to me. Let me find them. Here they are. Thank you guys for these 2 fragrances. One is going to be for my husband. This one's going to be for my husband. It's the 626. And then this one is for me. This is the 582. Papi. Here, baby. Es para ti. Guárdalo. He's so happy. So yeah, so this is mine and that one's for him. Thank you, Divain Fragrances. And then thank you to Influencer and Vitamin Water for this Vitamin Water Vox Box. I got 2 different flavors that I tried with my son, Kevin. Thank you for spending some time with me and watching this video. I hope you guys liked this up. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here. I greatly appreciate it. Hit that bell post notification. That way you're notified when I upload a new video. Leave me some sweet comments down below and check out my description box. Don't forget, guys, you can find me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube on Jenny_Beauty Reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Love you. Say bye, Kevin.
Bye. Bye.